We are going to study about soils of India, soil erosion, and conservation of land and soil. Chapter number 2. Turn your textbook page 98. India has a variety of landforms, climate, zones, and vegetation. Different types of soils are: number 1. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. It is one of the most important and abundantly available soils in India, widespread in the entire northern plains. The river Brahmaputra, the Ganga, and the Indus, along with their tributaries, erode the Himalayan mountains and transport the sediments that are deposited all over the river basins, which in turn help in the formation of alluvial soil. Alluvial soil kan tia hi sand, silt, clay in cho pol ani a India rama soil kan ne zinga poimo tak pakhat ani tin India rama hen mun chang chang alluvial soil kan ti mu tur oma abik takin northern plains kan ti a hianin an lei nei ti hi alluvial soil kan ti ang chi ni a alluvial soil in siam tur hian Brahmaputra, Ganga le Indus river ba ka heng lui pathum peng te ho hi an tributaries an peng te hi an poimo em em a Himalayan mountain an eiral na awanga I heng soil alluvial soil kan ti thelo in siam ani a luipui kama khanin an insect khom thina lei athem em ani he tiang lei kan tiang chi alluvial soil kan ti hi. According to the age, alluvial soil is classified into two broad groups: old alluvial known as Bangar and new alluvial known as Khadar. Akuma zer khanin alluvial soil kan ti hi chihni hlom lian deuh dewan thena chungte chu older alluvium deposits Bangar ti inan vo a newer alluvium deposits hi Khadar ti inan vo bok ani hi objective atana poimo thea in lo chin che ang. Alluvial soil is very fertile due to the regions around alluvial soil are cultivated intensively and are densely populated. The soil is rich in potash, lime, and phosphoric acid. Okay. It is ideal for the growth of wheat, cereals, pulses, sugarcane, and paddy. Okay. Alluvial soil hi kan soi tong khanin nge lui lianina I le chunglang ala ka tangaron in deposit ni kan ti to kha chuwang chaw le hi thale a alluvial soil a hianin potash, lime le phosphoric acid te atam hle ni tin wheat te cereals, pulses, sugarcane le paddy chin na atana du thusam ani. Now black soil, also known as rigger. Black soil is formed by the weathering and disintegration of basaltic rocks. This is found extensively in the northwest region of Deccan Tract. Okay. There is a high proportion of clay in this soil, which makes it very sticky when wet. Therefore, it needs to be ploughed immediately after the first rainfall. The soil has high moisture retention capacity and is rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. However, it is usually lacks in phosphoric content. In the dry summer months, the soil develops deep cracks that help to aerate the soil. Okay. Black soil is extremely fertile, deep, fine, and grained. The black color of this soil is due to the presence of certain salts. Being ideal for the growth of cotton, the soil is also known as black cotton soil. Okay. Black soil kan tia hi rigger soil ti nan wa boka le ke them lung ke them atangalo in siam lung ke no atangalo in siam ani a India rama hianin Deccan Tract kan ti mun northwest region ate heng le a hi black soil kan tiang chi han tam hle a black soil kan ti a hianin non na kan tiang chi kha atam em a tin chumi ba ka chuan calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash le lime te antama phosphoric acid atlem thungani. Dry summer months hianin nge khoro hun lai mo nipui hianin alung hi ake du em ani. black soil kan te hi black color ani na chan chu soils eng mo zat kha atel wang khanin kalunga khanin a color hi adum ani a cotton chin na atan shadu e mawangin a menga black cotton soil ti wo ani bokani. Now red and yellow soil. Red soil is usually formed in areas that receive less rainfall. Okay. A combination of sand and clay, red and yellow soil are found in the southern and eastern parts of the Deccan Plateau, parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and the Piedmont region of the Western Ghats. The red color of this soil is due to the presence of iron oxide. It appears yellow in moisture form. Okay. This soil is also deficient in humus, nitrogen and phosphoric acid, but it is rich in potassium. Red soil kan ti a hi chu atlang puin ruwa tui tlak tem na mona anin siam tang puya India rama hian Deccan Plateau te tin Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka le Western Ghats te red and yellow soil kan tiang chi kan hmu the ni. Red soil hi a color hi red ani na chan chu iron oxide atel wang ani a hnon hian a hu hian yellow angin a lang thin ani. Chuanin red and yellow soil kan ti a hianin humus le thatna kha atlem em a nitrogen kan ti ang chi te le phosphoric an tlem boka tin potash atam thung ani. Laterite soil. This soil is found in region of high temperature and heavy rainfall. However, it lacks humus as the higher temperature kill the microorganism and detritus feeders or decomposer present in the soil due to the process of leaching. This soil is more suitable for the cultivation of tea, coffee, tapioca, and cashew nut. Laterite soil kan ti hi chu atlang puin temperature san na mun ruwa tui tlak tam na muna I annom tlang puya I lei thatna kha atlem em mani a chan chu temperature san wang khan ita a temperature san wang khan lei siam thatu microorganism kan tiang chi te kha thi sachina wang khanin lei kha ada em ani. India rama hianin laterite soil kan tiang chi hi Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha le Assam te hmu tur awma. Laterite soil kan ti a hi lei tha dang ne na chawpol chuan tea te coffee tapioca le cashew nut chin na atang khan man ve the thin ani. Now arid soil. Arid soil is sandy in nature, comprising clay, sand, clay, and soluble salts. Due to dry climate and high temperature, this soil is deficient in humus, nitrogen, and moisture. Okay. Arid soil kan ti a hi sandy soil kan ti ang chi khan ita a sand, clay, le soluble salt antela arid soil kan ti a hianin khwa aro wang te temperature sana wang te khanin le thatna akha atlem em ma le hanna akha atlem em ma tin nitrogen atlem boka moisture content akha atlem bokani. Now forest soil. This type of soil is found in hilly or mountainous region covered with forest. It is formed by the decomposition of organic matter derived from forest cover. The presence of humus makes this soil fertile. Okay. Forest soil is found in parts of Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh. Forest soil kan ti he chu hilly and mountainous region tang ram huna ramgo ina khu na mun ta khanin kan mu china atlang puin nge ramgo acheng ransa thitoi atang te le thing ta tla roi atang in siam an tlang puya chuwang chuanin le hi atha em ni fertile soil kan ti ang chi hi India rama hian Jammu and Kashmir te Uttarakhand le Himachal Pradesh te kan hmu thei ani. Now soil erosion. The removal of the topsoil by erosive agents such as wind and running water is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion kan ti chuanin enge thli thaw awang te mo tiluang awang le chunglang kalral na aka soil erosion kan ti a erosion hi chi hrang a oma pakhat na chuan water erosion an ti a. There are two types of erosion. It takes place in the mountains and the other that takes place in the plains. Ke water erosion hi tlang ram hmuna le plain area hian thleng chene e water erosion ani ang hianin abik takin ruwa alo sur tam hian leichung lang kha ruwa sur na sa hianin akal ral pui shina e chu water erosion kan ti taka hi chu ni. Now wind erosion. It refers to the blowing away of loose soil from flat or sloping land by the wind. Okay. Wind erosion kan ti ang chi chu abik takin desert area a thli thaw awangin leichung lang jang tak kan ti ang chi te kha enge thing le mau lo dang tu tur om lo na mo na khanin leichung lang kalral na kha e athleng china thli thaw lat na khanin leichung lang kha akeng tel china ni. Soil erosion chu ne china kan sai to ang khan ya tui luang awang emo wind thli awanga erosion thleng china kha ne chunglang kalral na thleng china kha soil erosion kan ti chu ni. Now conservation of land and soil. Land conservation refers to the wise and judicious use of land so as to protect it against degradation. Okay. Lei kalral na tur laka enge ruam man na fel fai tak neya ven hi makha land conservation kan ti chu ni a. Eng tiang inge lei kalral tur hi kan venang kan ti chuan number 1 a afforestation. Afforestation and plantation of trees are essential steps that will help to conserve the soil as the plant roots bind the topsoil, thus preventing it from being eroded easily by wind or water. Tui emo, thli in emo olsam taka alen ral me lo na turatan khanin, ramgo te kan hum hal chata, thing te kan phun ka angaya. Lei kal ral tur veng tu turatan khanin, plant roots kan ti ang chia ka, anzung ka ampoy mo, anzung khanin, enge lei kal ral tur ka lau man kom china, so wang chuan thing phun te kan war turani. Overgrazing need to be controlled. Okay. Ran andu na mun tur ang chia te kha kan ve na ngai bokani. Planting of shelter belts should be planted in arid areas in order to restrict the movement of sand dunes and thus check wind erosion. Wind erosion thleng tur ven atan khanin shelter belts kan ti anga khanin thing sang pui te kan phun tur ni khami thing sang pui khanin thli thaw ina lei kalral na athlen tur ka alo veng thin ni. Tin agriculture practices kan lo nei dan ang chi te kan improve tur ani a ni entirna na tlangram hunanga te chuanin terrace farming kan ti ang chi te contour ploughing kan ti ang chi te khatang ka kan kalpui bok tur ani. Tin soil erosion thleng tur ven na atan hianin crop rotation kan ti ang chi thlai chin thlak thleng kan ti ang chi te khatang kha kan nei chin tur ani thlai kha angai reng hun pakhata kan chin chuan nei khan da kun nei china chuwang chuanin thlai kan chin te pokha angai reng ching lo khan kan ching thlak thleng tur ani le ti thale tu tur ang chi thlai te kha chang chuang kan chin te pokha angai chini. Tin thil le chhuana mun le kalral tur ven atan kan lai chwa dan akha kan fim kur tur ani methods dik taka ka kan mang tur ani. Then industrial effluents and waste kan ti ang chi aka mo industry kan nom ang chi te tui chia kan ti ang chi te kha apai na mun tur dik taka kan paya kan du na mun mona pai me lovin apai na tur mun dik taka khan kan pai thin tur ani bawk ani tikhan chapter number 2 chu kan zauta a karma sa khanin voina kan explain atanga poimo thei tur important questions kan ron da tel to a tuntu ma he chuanin answer the following questions in brief 1 to 10 in lo homework leang. That's all for today.